Hello and welcome to our grade 1 boys and girls. I hope you're ready to start learning today. Today we're going to be continuing on with our unit 12, What Do We Wear? Today's lesson will be about adjectives. Alright students, before we start our lesson today, make sure you watch this video. It's all about reviewing how to use the apostrophe plus S. If you're in the live class on Google Meet with Teacher David, this is the video you just watched. If you're studying at home on Google Classrooms, please make sure you look in Google Classrooms to find the link. And if you want to watch this video, boys and girls, you can find it in Google Classrooms. Let's go to the next slide. Let's practice some of the vocabulary for today. Our first word is dancing lessons. Once again, dancing lessons. Okay, boys and girls, dancing lessons is easy. It's a lesson where people teach you how to dance. It's very simple, very easy to understand. Let's go to the next one. Our next word is dancing shoes. Practice again. Dancing shoes. Sometimes when you go dancing, you need to wear special types of shoes. Especially if you're going to dance classes, you will need special dancing shoes. Let's practice our next word. Football. 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 In some countries, we call this soccer. And it's a game where you kick a ball with your foot, and that is why they call it football. Our next word is boots. 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 There are many different types of boots, but the yellow one that you can see on your screen is a special boot that we use when we learn to play football. It's a special shoe that helps us get grip so we can run really fast and not fall down. Let's go look at our last word. The last word we'll see today, boys and girls, is colors. We don't need to look at this one many times, so don't need to practice because we've done this before in K3 and in grade 1. We have all of our colors in the rainbow, red, blue, orange, even all the colors that we don't know the names of, like violet, indigo, and infrared, all the colors in the world. So if I speak about colors, that means I'm speaking about all of the colors. All right, let's move on to our lesson. Okay, boys and girls, the first part of our lesson is to remember what is a noun. And remember, nouns are people, places, things, and animals. And in many other teachers and many other books will call them your naming words because they're the words that give names to our places, our things, our animals, and sometimes even our people. Adjectives tell us more about the noun or the naming words. If you remember, we had beautiful peacock, clever orangutan. There were many adjectives we've done before, and they tell us more about the noun or the naming words. And if you remember, boys and girls, like I've told you before, all of the colors can be used as adjectives. Just remember, when you're writing a sentence, we will always put the adjective first and the noun second. For example, this yellow car is fast. In our sentence, yellow is the adjective and it is first. Car is my noun and it is second. The yellow car. Nice and easy. For our next piece, boys and girls, please put your pencils down, but get your notebooks close. All right, boys and girls, first things first, put your pencils down. Please listen first and wait till you see the 10-minute timer start. When the 10-minute timer begins, that is your chance to pick up your pencil and start copying. Like normal, we'll put the dates and title first, skip one line, Then copy the first black square that tells us about the nouns, adjectives, and colors. And remember, we put the adjective first and the noun second. After that, please leave another line open and make sure you go to the next block. I want you to copy everything we see here, but please wait till we finish all the instructions. Okay, make sure that after you write the sentence, describe your clothes, leave another line blank where we can write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So part of our copying today, boys and girls, is the activity, describe your clothes. I want you to write 5 sentences about the clothes that you are wearing right now. Okay, remember, for singular nouns, we will start our sentence with I wear a blank blank. Remember, the first blank is your adjective and the second blank is your noun. Or if it is a plural noun, for example, shorts, we will say, I wear blank blank. Let's look at one more before we start copying. Let's look at my 2 answers for number 1 and number 2. Remember, boys and girls, this is Teacher David's clothes, and you are not wearing the same clothes as Teacher David, which means your answers will be different. Actually, every student's answers will be different, so there will be no chance that we can cheat today. So if you remember from the live classroom, I wear a blue shirt. I wear black shorts. Do you see how we use the singular for shirt? I wear a, and plural, I wear black shorts, because shorts is plural. Remember, boys and girls, do not copy this. This is my answers. All right, boys and girls, 10 more seconds until it's your chance. Please remember, copy the date, the title, skip a line, and copy the 4 sentences. Skip another line, and copy the last few sentences. Make sure you write your own I wear a for singular or I wear for plural. And think about the clothes you're wearing and make sure you use color adjectives to describe it. Are you wearing a shirt or a t-shirt? Are you wearing overalls or pajamas? Make sure you use the vocabulary that we've been studying for Unit 12. All right, boys and girls, your time starts now. Okay, boys and girls, for your homework, I need you to read textbook page 43 and complete your workbook on page 41. Let's quickly read on textbook page 43. Read with teacher so you can read easier later. It is the weekend. Deepa and her friends go for dancing lessons. They wear pink t-shirts. They wear pink skirts. They wear white socks and blue dancing shoes. Raju plays football with his friends. They wear red t-shirts. They wear red shorts. They wear red socks and black boots. The words red, pink, and other color words are adjectives. They tell us more about the naming words. So that's nice and easy, boys and girls. Please make sure you practice reading alone. Let's quickly look at your workbook for today. Whose clothes? Read the clues, then draw lines to match the children to their clothes. So boys and girls, can you see there's a picture of 3 children, Ben, Ali, and Jill. And if we look under them, we will see many different things of clothing. But if you look closely, there are 3 caps, 3 shirts, and 3 shorts. Okay, so make sure you read the clues carefully. And then after you read the clues, draw lines to what you think is the correct answer. Boys and girls, this is a riddle, so teacher doesn't want to help you too much. So think carefully and read carefully. So let's start reading the first little bit. Ali's cap is red. Okay, that's easy. Find Ali, and then we draw a line with our pencil to the red cap. The next part reads, Jill's cap is not blue. Okay, if we look, there's 3 caps, a blue cap, a red cap, and a purple cap. Now we know the red cap is Ali's because the story just told us. Now there's a blue cap and a purple cap left. So if the sentence says Jill's cap is not blue, what color is Jill's cap? Very good, it's the purple one. So then whose cap is the blue one? It's the only child without a cap. Very good, the cap goes to Ben. So boys and girls, read the rest of these. Teacher will help you quickly. Ben's t-shirt is orange. Ali does not have a green t-shirt. Jill's shorts are pink. Ben's shorts are not white. So think about the clues and draw the lines to the correct items of clothing. After that, you'll need to answer the questions. Fill in the correct names in the blanks. So number 1, whose cap is blue? It's Ben's cap. So in the answer, we just write Ben's, and don't forget the apostrophe S to show who is the owner of the cap. Number 2, whose cap is purple? So teacher already helped you with that one a little bit. So we know Ali has the red cap and Ben has the blue cap. So whose cap is purple? Correct. It's Jill's cap. Remember, Jill apostrophe S. All right. Question 3, whose t-shirt is green? Question 4, whose t-shirt is yellow? Question 5, whose shorts are brown? And question 6, whose shorts are white? So this is a riddle game, boys and girls, and I need you to think hard about what do you think are the correct answers. Remember, when you're finished, please send a photo of workbook page 41 to Google Classrooms. And that's everything for our lesson today, boys and girls. Goodbye, everyone, and have a nice day.